The city has been quite empty because of the virus. It's nice that people are staying home for their safety. Thus, when we are bored and during our leisure time, I requested the chef to make me a special vegetarian pasta.
Um, Vegetarian linguine.
Vegetarian linguine, yep.
Yep.
So this is our Italian chef here.
Hi.
He's Sun, or you can call him Wapa.
Yeah, that's my nickname. Alright, let's put pasta in.
Okay, we put the linguine in to boil.
Let's start it with the
Sweet.
some onion. Just wait.
How long does it take for the pasta to?
It's normally take like 4 minutes, but we have to keep stirring to make it evenly.
I see. Yes.
Better berapa masak? So like around.
Cool.
Based on the-
Okay, professional. We've got a shy chef here. Onions. Yep, and his spicing is also super cool there.
Oh. Alright.
All good?
Let's put some garlic.
Okay. Yeah, so
And basil.
some basil leaves, alright.
Alright. Mushroom. White wine.
Cool, cool. Cool.
Napoli sauce.
Fun chef skills.
Alright, the pasta should be alright now.
Pasta should be ready by now. The linguine. Cool.
That's how you make it.
Nice and quick.
Alright, let's start plating now.
Looks nice. How to professionally plate a linguine? Okay.
Cheese on it.
Okay.
Some parsley. Mushroom.
With mushroom
linguine.
mushroom linguine. Cool.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's try it.
Enjoy it.
All right. Thanks soon.
Thank you. See you again.
All right.
And for you try.
All right.
Lemon.
Cheers, guys. Made with love pasta. It's very lovely. It's really yummy. I love it. I love it. Cool. So this is from Indonesia. So let's just hear thank you from him.
Terima kasih. That's all. Thank you.
Cool. See ya, guys. Ciao.
Bye.